students, today we are going to continue same lesson number 6, that is land use. Okay, so in this chapter we are going to study about transitional areas and suburbs. Rural settlements start outside the boundary areas of urban settlements, but the intermediate area in between is called the transitional area. In this area, there is a blend of rural and urban land use. In these areas, land use is of a mixed nature. In this zone, cultural activities are also of a mixed type. Over time, this area is converted to an urban area and these regions become suburbs. For example, Bandra, Bhandup and etc. are suburbs of Mumbai city. Now, planned cities. After the Industrial Revolution, urbanization occurred on a large scale throughout the world. Since this urbanization was not well planned, cities began to grow in a haphazard manner. Because of employment opportunities there, a large-scale migrations to cities occurred. As a result, the availability of land is always a serious problem in cities. A lot of diversity is visible in the land use of cities. Limited land, varied land uses, and burgeoning cities resulted in the thoughts of having planned cities for the future even before a city grows. Its land use is predetermined and a planned layout is prepared. Accordingly, the cities are developed: Singapore, South Korea, Switzerland, USA, Brazil, Chandigarh, Bhubaneswar and etc. are examples of planned cities. You may have realized that in different countries the percentage under various land uses differ. Based on the availability of land, the population of a country, its quality and needs, land use types vary. In Japan, for example, the percentage of land under forest is more and the percentage of land under permanent agriculture is very low. As compared to that, in India, the percentage of land under forest is low while the percentage of land under permanent agriculture is high. Now 712 extract. In Hindi it is also known as Sadbara. Okay. So under land utilization we have seen how land is put to different uses. The ownership of land could be private or public. Land registration in this context is done under the revenue departments of the government. All the information about the registered land can be obtained from the revenue department in the 712 extract. Let us get some information about this. One can get to know under whose ownership the land is from the 712 extract. The extract is a record kept by the Public Revenue Department. Serial number 7 and 12 are distinctive sections of law pertaining to the ownership of land. The 7 by 12 extract is a kind of mirror about the land. This is because just by reading the extract sitting in one place, one can get complete information about that piece of land without actually going there. The register of the revenue department records the details of the ownership ownership rights of the family, status of debts and loan, transfer of ownership and area under different crops. Village form number 7 and village form number 12 are combined to prepare as 712 extract. Hence it is termed as 712 extract. These village forms are available with the talati of every village for land and revenue collection purposes. Now, how is the 712 extract read? Occupant class 1 means the land over which ownership rights are available through generation. This is ancestral property. Occupant class 2 means the land given by the government to marginal farmers or landless people. Such land can be sold, leased, pledged, given as charity or transferred only with the sanction of the district collector. Below that, the under assessment, the amount of tax levied on the land is given in rupees or paise. In other rights, the names of other joints holder are included. This also shows the status of loan taken for agriculture and whether they have been repaid or not. Property card. Ownership of non-agricultural land is recorded on the property card. This document showing ownership rights and the area of the property is made available from urban land records. It has the following information: city survey number, plot number, amount of tax, area of the property accessed, right to access, and etc. Okay, so we have completed this chapter now.